Local karate athlete signs at international championship in Abu Dhabi. Haflong di Mahasau on November 27, 2024, three young karate athletes from Karbi Rongkangtui, Haflong di Mahasau, have brought glory to their hometown by bagging multiple medals and trophies at the Winner Cup 2024 International Karate Championship. The prestigious event held on November 17, 2024 at Al Jazeera Club, Abu Dhabi, was organized by the Winner Karate Club, Abu Dhabi in association with the Japan Sotokan Karate Do Kaninjuku Organization, UAE. The athletes, namely Apangkiri Ronghi, Claire Chintongpi, and Saint-Clair James Chintong, showcased their exceptional skills and determination, competing against participants from around the world. Their impressive performances resulted in a total haul of 1 gold trophy, 2 gold medals, 1 silver trophy, 2 silver medals, and 1 bronze trophy. Individual achievements: Claire Chintongpi, daughter of Mr. Chonrosen Chintong and Angelina Ronghipi, secured gold trophy in Kumite and silver medal in kata. Apangkiri Ronghi, son of Mr. Ferdinand Ronghi and Sikha Derapi, won gold medal in kata and bronze in kumite. Saint-Clair James Chintong, son of Mr. Chonrosen Chintong and Angelina Ronghipi, achieved gold medal in kata and silver medal in kumite. The success of these athletes not only highlights their dedication but also underscores the growing prominence of karate in the Mahasau. Their achievements serve as an inspiration to aspiring martial artists in the region. The community has expressed immense pride in their accomplishment, and the athletes were warmly congratulated by their families and well-wishers upon their return. Their triumph at their significant international platform stands as a testament to their hard work and the support of their coach and mentors. This remarkable feat has brought the spotlight to Haflong and is a reminder of the potential the youth of the region hold in the global arena.
अभी जो है वो उधर अपने पैनल में चले गए हैं, वेटिंग पैनल में है अभी वो बैठे हैं। नहीं, खुशमीत के अभी नहीं आया, खुशमीत अभी अपने हैं सर के साथ ही हैं, तो मेरा ख्याल है हो सकता है दो जो इन्होंने फाइट किए उसके बाद भी प्राइज दे।
For Kumite of the same category, third prize is 083 Tania Hadia, second prize is 497 Nissa, and first prize is 353. And first prize in Kumite is just number 353 Pani.
News Desk Report, Northeast Karbi Live.